Mommy's that way.
Looks like there must have been a wedding. That's why he's doing it just right.
He's racing to get you.
Coming? The water? Look at Grandma.
Liam.
Look at Grandma.
Hi, baby. Hi.
Hi.
Are you thirsty from all that walk?
I'll just show you pictures of what this park used to look like back in the early 1900s. It used to be a huge park, and they would have like steamboats come and park here.
Is that a railroad?
And there were,
From New York City, right?
I don't know, it was a big deal. It was a big park here. There was
Carousel. Yeah.
Where are you going? Is it easier to walk on the path? Is it easier to walk on the path? You see, I'm walking on the path. Are you walking on the path? I can't keep up with you. You go too fast. Who are you waving to now? Uh-oh. He takes off. Oh, that's fine. You're kidding? I'm saying, that's Uncle Tom. Where you going, Liam?
Come this way?
Oh, first fall of the day. Brush up those hands.
Gotta go like this.